Afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku in the weekend edition of Sunday, January the 6th or 7th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle in this additional, the 3-star Sudoku. Yeah, this one is definitely a 3 stars. We have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one is a 4 stars Sudoku. Yeah, 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number number 7753. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Alright. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. 4 threes, alright. 2 fours. 3 fives. 3 sixes. 3 sevens. 2 eights. And 2 nines. So the 3s are a majority. Can I start with the 3? No. No. Well, will be difficult. 4, 4. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4, and should be there, 4, 4. Here we have 4 missing numbers. Need a 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 is 7. Should be there. Need a 7 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 here. 6, 1, 1, 6. And 2, 8, 2, 8, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah, need a 2 there. Okay. In this big square, one of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in this box. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here, could be there in the second row. Here or there, we see another 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 or 9, 8 or 9. We have a 9 in this middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9, 9, okay. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this middle column should be here. So the 4 and the 6 are left. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1, could be here, could be there, need a 6 also. Then, need a 3, yeah, 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above, so that row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the second column, no 3 there, so the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. You can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left now in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Need a 5. Need a 8. And need a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And if eliminated here the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for 6 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. 5, 8. Okay, cannot fill this yet. That means 2 missing numbers in this first row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. 4, 5, 8. Alright. How about, need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So missing here the 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. Yeah, 2, 7, 9. That means these 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a pair. The 5 and the 6 in the last column. The 5 and the 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. Here, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 9 in this column. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Here, 1 box left in this big square for number 9 then. Two missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8. The 8, the 9 is missing. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. Yeah, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 9 goes there. Alright. How about these 3 missing numbers in the last row? 4 numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in the first column, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 2 then. Here, 2, 7, and a 9. We have a 2 and a 7 in the first column, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 9. Alright, so the 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. 8 and 5. Let me see. Need a 1 here. I need a 1 and a 4. Okay. 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 now in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 4 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes in there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left 4 should be there. So the 5 and the 8 are left. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 5 goes there. The 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Cannot believe this comparing with the previous Sudoku. The publisher need to switch these 2 puzzles. Cannot be a 4, can be 3, can be 2, can be 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 or 13 minutes. Yeah. Well, totally different than the previous. Here I need more time. The previous. So I think this one is more difficult than the 4 stars. And so you cannot always tell, although it has less printed digits than the previous Sudoku. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. Alright, 2 to go. Yeah, we have 2 puzzles to go, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. So see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.